Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the little salvage Fiesta from Copart. For all of you that guessed correctly, I bought the wrong headlight. I didn't even think, it didn't even enter my head. I picked up a projector headlight and this is like the basic model, and it's got like a halogen one and a black insert. I'll just show you that. It's got the black insert and it's just like a normal halogen one. It's got a projector and it's all silver. So I'm going to order another black headlight for that, or maybe another halogen one to go over that side. Yeah, well, it's a halogen projector. So that's projector, that's non-projector. So yeah, today we've got to contend with this mess and try and get it sorted. And we're going to have to remove the back bumper because that needs paint. It's got the scuffs around there and around there. So I've just put it on the ramp, put the blocks under. Let's get this up in the air, remove the bumper, and we can have a little butchers at this. I've only got about half a day today. I've got things to be doing, so I ain't got a lot of time left. Let's see what we can achieve with straightening this out a little bit. Yeah, let's get it up in the air. See you in a bit. It's always nice to see other people's repairs. Paintwork was beautiful. It's really really hard because I didn't see, well, I knew there was damage in the photo on the auction, but you don't see none of this. So their photo was like took from round here, and then before this was folded under, it looked like there was a dent in the door, not here. I'll actually try and put a picture from the auction in here now so you can see. You couldn't determine where the damage was, so it was kind of took at a funny angle, like that. I think, I can't remember how it was, but yeah, I'll try and put a picture in so you can see what the original damage looked like.
You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're
there we go.
out of time.
Bumper's all off. Everything's all sweet under there. I pulled the splash guard, the carpet out of the back here, so we can have a little look. Got a dent around here, but this is double skinned under here. So I'll get my spotter on that and pull that out, and that should relieve some of this rubbish around here. I mean, this was twisted right under when I picked the car up. We dented in there, so might be able to pull that out with a spotter as well. And then I've got a new little tool that we can draw a line around there and try and work the shape back out as we go. So let me get me bits and bobs out, and we'll try and make this look a hell of a lot better.
Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time.
There we go. Just realised the time, I'm running out of time. That's the third and final little skim. I was trying to, you see me wandering back and forth. I'm trying to establish where this line turns into a flat line, if that makes sense. So this arch line here goes round and then goes flat down here. So I was trying to measure roughly where to make it start going flat around now. So most of that will be blocked off. Looks like a load of gob there, but we'll block that back down, but I'm running out of time. So I had to make the arch line come round and then disappear and then start going flat back down in there. So I'll get that sorted in the morning. Yeah, block all that down, maybe a little bit of dolphin glaze, and then we can start prepping it and getting it primed and painted and get it sorted out. All the time I've got for today, like I said, only half a day really on this, so yeah, we've done all right. We've got most of it out and sorted, run out of time. So yeah, I'll do another video and then hopefully that'll be the finished product on the next one. So as always, massive thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.